Promotional campaign planning meeting.
This meeting is about our upcoming promotional campaign for the new Photobot service launching next month. Let's discuss ideas to reach more customers.
Good morning. I suggest we focus on social media advertising, especially on Facebook and Instagram. We can post creative reels showing our photobot features and packages.
That's a great idea, Faday. I can handle the photo and video content. I'll prepare a short teaser video highlighting our premium and basic packages to attract online attention.
Good morning, ma'am. Graphic designer. To go along with that, I'll design eye-catching poster and banners for the mall display. I'll make sure they match the theme of your online campaign.
Sounds good. I'll review our budget and make sure we have enough funds for paid advertisement and printing materials. I'll send the budget breakdown by tomorrow.
Excellent teamwork, everyone. Let's finalize our materials by most week. Thank you for your participation and for maintaining professionalism during this meeting. Have a great day.